Poor stock audio quality, lacks depth. Complicated installation, requires dismantling and wire cutting. Inconsistent audio cables, hard to choose. Want pro-level sound from your stock speakers? No worries, unlock your car audio's full potential effortlessly with the ATOTO CA-AEC122DL amplifier. With its refined aesthetics and compact dimensions, the CA-AEC122DL amplifier delivers both style and functionality. Plug-and-play installation design. Simply connect with our specific harness for an easy installation, requiring no professional skills. Enables hidden installation under the co-pilot seat or in the glove compartment, saving space while enhancing aesthetics. Compatible with 90% plus ATOTO units. The CA-AEC122DL is a full-range superpower Class D amplifier, supporting high-fidelity frequency response across the entire 20 Hz to 20 kHz spectrum. Greater than 108 dB signal-to-noise ratio eliminates all background noise for pure, undistorted audio reproduction. For channel-balanced input design, delivering 60 W RMS X4 when connected to 4 ohm speakers, achieving balanced and high-fidelity sound. When connected to 2 ohm speakers, the power automatically increases to 125 W RMS X4, ideal for high-performance speakers with deep bass and clear highs. The CA-AEC122DL perfectly matches ATOTO's CS651 DC speakers, boosting power output by 200%. 3-band EQ adjustment with 4-step gain adjustment, perfectly tailored for different music genres. Supports dual trigger systems, 2x RCA outputs, connect additional amps or subwoofers. Multi-protection system, full defense against all hazards. Elevate your car audio experience, backed by ATOTO's reliable technical support. CA-AEC122DL. Every drive deserves to be heard.